Welcome back, everyone. I'm happy that you're here. And for the people that don't know me yet, my name is Brony van Engel, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're planning on staying here, then please subscribe down below. I do beautiful hair tutorials and so much more, so please subscribe. Today I'm going to show you guys a cute style, so just keep on watching. So guys, it's an old style and I'm going to transform it into a new one. I had this in for like a week, so yeah, it's time for another one. We're just gonna loosen these two braids up and start in the front. So guys, we're just gonna leave the twist in the back like this. I'm going to refresh them in a little bit. Oh, the sunlight is hating on me again. But we're gonna leave them like this, and we're gonna flat twist the front, and it's gonna be a super cute style. It's very easy, but I kind of just wanted to share it with you guys. So yeah, let's go. I didn't twist the back on camera because I already have 1 or 2 videos on how I twist my hair, but if you want to know how I do that, just check in my description box. I will link the videos there. First thing I did, I just made like a small section on the sides. I made pretty small sections, but you can make them bigger if you want. I used some Eco Styler gel to keep my parts a little bit neat because I did want to keep this hairstyle in for like a week. So guys, my hair was super dirty at this time because I did not wash it. I did not have the time to wash it. So I just had to style my hair, you know, dirty. But don't be like me. Don't be like me, okay? Please. So I'm just doing a simple flat twist to the front. The rest is going to be to the back, but this one I'm going to twist towards my face because you know it's cute. It's gonna hang in front and stuff. But yeah, guys, please be gentle when you twist your hair because you might not have edges the next day if you don't. So yeah, keep that in mind. You're just gonna do the same exact thing to the other side. I did it like that because, you know, I wanted it to be a little symmetrical. It's not going to be like the same, but you know, you can try. And guys, if you guys have questions or suggestions, or you guys just want to tell me something, then you can leave a comment down below, or you can hit me up on my IG. It's Brony _curls, and I will leave it in the description box for you guys, so go follow me on there. I post a lot of short videos that I don't post on my YouTube channel, so if you guys want to go see them, then go check it out. So we're just going to repeat all of those steps that we just did, but now we're gonna twist to the back and try to make your twist as straight as possible. I'm going to do the rest of my hair off camera because I'm literally going to repeat the same exact steps and I don't want to bore you guys to death. Yeah, but I'll be back when I'm finished. So guys, I'm done twisting the front and I know it looks super weird. Yep, it looks a little weird, but you can style it like different ways. I still like it, but you know, I'm gonna add some beads on the side things. I don't want to call them, but yeah, let's add the beads and I'll be right back. So this is it, guys. I really love it. I don't know if you can tell, but I really love it. I added some beads and some hair jewelry on top. You know, it looked a little bit weird at first, but then I was like, okay, I like it. I really like it. So if you liked it as well, please leave a like and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.